I found this footage sitting on one of my old hard drives. I never got around to editing it back then, but after watching it again, I realized this day was way too special to leave forgotten. You know, those random university trips where you think it will probably be fun, and then somehow they end up becoming one of the days you remember for years. This was one of them. Our university had organized a trip to Washington, D.C., and one of those places on our itinerary was the National Museum of African American History and Culture. I didn't really know what to expect. I was just excited to spend the day exploring. Also, can we just take a moment to appreciate my VIP seating? Literally, puri side meri hai. Whenever I'm traveling and nobody's sitting next to me, I suddenly become my own cameraman, director, and lead actor. Please tell me I'm not the only one. After an hour, we finally made it. Washington, D.C. always has a great energy. History, politics, museums, every building feels like it has a story. And then it was finally time. I had heard a lot about this museum, but walking inside was completely different. This isn't the kind of museum where you just walk around looking at old things. It makes you stop, read, think, reflect. I don't know if this is just the fashion designer in me, but I always end up paying extra attention to clothing. Sometimes garments aren't just garments, they quietly tell stories about identity, culture, and resilience. At one point, I honestly forgot I was supposed to be filming. I got so busy looking around that I suddenly remembered, oh wait, I am actually making a vlog. One section I really enjoyed was seeing how music became much more than entertainment. It became identity, resistance, hope. Of course, there was also an entire section dedicated to athletes who changed history.
As one of the greats of women's tennis. These have transformed the game into.
And yes, seeing Michael Jordan's jersey in person definitely made me stop for a second.
His ability to connect with people made him one of the most powerful brands in the world.
Fourth floor, guys, and I still have to explore a lot. Well, we were distributed in groups. I have no idea where my group members are. Scared of just walking and holding the camera basically. So I sat down for 2 minutes. Whew, I'm feeling hungry. I'm trying to cover as much as I can for you guys, really. Hope you're enjoying it.
As we moved from one exhibit to another, one thing became very clear. These weren't just historical events. These were real people, real families, real lives. Some stories were difficult to read, others were inspiring, but every single one reminded me how important it is that history is remembered exactly as it happened.
Terrorist organizations like the must be hamstring.
So how did you do this year? I did rather well, my common crowd. How about you? Yeah, me too. You put extra away from what to understand your Tom Paul.
I think what stayed with me most wasn't one particular exhibit. It was realizing how much courage ordinary people carried through extraordinary circumstances. Sometimes history feels distant until you're standing right in front of it. When I woke up that morning, I thought I was just going on another university trip, but I came back with something much more valuable than pictures, a new perspective. Looking back now, I'm really glad I said yes to this trip. Some experiences don't just teach you facts, they stay with you. Thanks for coming along with me. I'll see you in the next adventure. I love you.